Welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. It is paper pumpkin time. It is the July 2024 Painted Petals paper pumpkin kit. Apologies for the box. It came this way, but I got it on time this month. So let's see what's in this box. This color just makes me happy. So like happy right out of the gate. We've got our instructions to make 3 different projects. And I've already started to see some alternatives online, and I cannot wait to get going with this kit. The colors that coordinate are Calypso Coral, Daffodil Delight, Granny Apple Green, Gray Granite, Old Olive, Melon Mambo, Mossy Meadow, Peach Pie, and Pretty in Pink. And we've got the Every Celebration dies. I got the dies that go with, so we'll be using those as well in the alternate cards. We've got our Gray Granite Stampin' Spot, and we've got our stamps with this beautiful flower. Hello, let's celebrate you. Friends like you make life beautiful. You're simply the best, and I'm so lucky to have you in my life. And then we've got this little kind of shadow lines. So the greetings in here are really good. I love these greetings. Then we've got some kind of opalescent sequins. We've got our sticky strips in here and some dimensionals. So yes, sticky strips and dimensionals in there. And then we've got our cards. Oh, and the cards got a little bit dented up, but we'll just smooth those out a little bit. If you do get a kit that's damaged like this, you can contact your demonstrator or call Stampin' Up and they will replace it. So look at the front and back of these cards. You know I'm going to be cutting those in half. Same with these ones. Gorgeous designs. And here's the envelopes, and the envelope flowers match. Look at just how gorgeous is that? I am in love with this kit, and I haven't even started it yet. We've got some banners, and looks like we can stamp the greetings on the die cuts and have them fit right in. How much fun is that? And then here's the other card bases. Oh, gorgeous. Oh, and then there's our, oh, look at that. Look at that. How gorgeous is that? Wow, just wow. So we've got all of these die cuts. I'm just gonna make sure that's the end of the box, and it is. But oh, these are just gorgeous. Anyway, that is our kit, the Painted Petals July 2024 paper pumpkin kit. So I cannot wait to show you the projects and all those alternative cards.